Hi Laksh.
Hi, Papa.
What are you showing today, Laksh?
I am doing a science experiment of cleaning the dirty coins.
Okay, can you show the steps?
Take a cup of vinegar and add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it. And take a cup of juice soda and add the coins into the vinegar and juice soda.
Can I take a look at your dirty coins?
Yes, Papa.
Okay, yeah, dirty. Go ahead, Laksh. Wow, did you see the gas? Okay. What happens next, Laksh?
Let it sit for 8 hours.
Okay.
We'll come back. It has been 8 hours. Let me take the coins out.
Go ahead, Lakshi. You can keep them here. Okay, these are the coins from the soda. Alright. And these are the coins from?
Vinegar.
Okay. Do you mind cleaning them? You can use the tissue.
The same tissue now. Coins from juice soda and vinegar are very cleaned. And juice soda is not safe to drink. And juice soda has lot of chemicals.
Wow, that is really true, right? Juice soda can be used for cleaning instead of drinking. Thank you very much, Laksh.
Thank you, PAPPA.